Transform your website from static to sensational with captivating mouse animations in Webflow. Let's dive into Webflow and bring your cursor to life first. Select the element you want to interact with. This could be a button, an image, or even a section of your page. To make this element responsive to mouse movements, we need to give it a specific class. Click on the Element Settings panel and add a descriptive class name, like Cursor Follower. Now we'll add a mouse-based interaction. Click the Add Interaction button, and under the drop-down, select Mouse X or Mouse Y, depending on the direction you want to affect. Let's start with Mouse X. Within the interaction settings, choose the While Moving in Viewport trigger. This tells Webflow to activate the animation as the mouse moves across the screen. On the timeline, we'll adjust the X property. Drag the first keyframe to the beginning of the timeline, which will represent the start of the mouse movement. Now, let's add another keyframe near the end. For this second keyframe, we'll adjust the X value. You can set this as a percentage or a pixel value. Experiment to see what looks best. A higher value will make the element move further with the cursor. You can do the exact same thing for the Y-axis. Add keyframes and adjust the Y values to control the vertical movement of your element. With those adjustments, preview your page. You should now see your element smoothly following your cursor's movement. To add even more flair, you can enhance your cursor animation. Go to the Effects panel and explore options like scaling, rotating, or even changing opacity as the mouse moves. For example, you can add a scale effect. Set keyframes to have the element slightly grow when the mouse reaches a certain point, creating a dynamic pulse. And there you have it, a circumflex euros, a responsive, engaging mouse animation that elevates your user experience. Webflow makes it incredibly straightforward to add these interactive touches. Start experimenting and watch your website come alive.